Right, we are cycling around the Metropolitan Cathedral of Naga City. Okay. I usually just jog here. Now I'm using my mini mountain bike. The mount is just a cell phone, so it's quite shaky. Still, let's try to have a decent roundabout video of tonight's cycling episode. Yep, we're up. So, oh my god, there are no gaps here. So, let's figure I can ride properly this way. Oh my! There seems to be some sort of obstacle by the roadside. It's actually a nice place to jog or hike every morning or every night. And also you can try to meditate while you are circling the area, walking, hiking or cycling. You can't go so fast because cars actually come here or get in here to park, as you can see. There's a girl here trying to exercise as well. Well, this is a night shot of the cathedral. Perhaps someday we'll have an episode for this area. We can bring our friend who is a priest to actually tell us about the cathedral. So great. We're now in downtown Naga City, so we're gonna go around the city. It's actually December 29, and holiday tomorrow, so we'll just be riding around the city. At Igualdad. Check the bike lane. Okay, we have buko sellers. It's stuck here, it's an intersection, but maybe we can go. It's actually a marketplace now, the city public market. Right, you have the garbage collector in front of us. So yeah, you can see the Yeah, we are now in the Naga City public market. It's night time, so not much people here. We try to explore, you know, the city. See what we will find around here. There's power interruption somewhere on the other side. Well, it's quite dark. It's part of the city, but let's go to the fruit vendor area. Fruit vendors area. You can appreciate the lights, the fruits. Alright. We're at the fruit vendors area. Just riding. Just nice riding here. Since there's traffic over there. So yeah, they're getting ready for the new year. That's all. Round fruits all over. Getting ready for the new year, huh? Alright. Let's go. Stop here. Okay, let's go to the plaza. The bikes are allowed inside, but I think bikes are allowed. Right. Yeah. Going around the plaza. Alright. I guess they're ready for tomorrow's celebration of Rizal Day here in Naga City, Rizal Park. So check it out. Still quite lively even at this late hour. So yeah, pretty much great. Considering the COVID-19 pandemic, majority of the people here actually have been vaccinated. That is why. that part there, the Plaza Kiosco, used to be the place where debaters would congregate and talk about the Bible, debate about the Bible. Now this is the Rizal Monument actually, right? They actually work on the plaza, so we have all these nice changes here. Right, the vendors are still here, but they're supposed to be 24 hours, but some are already closed for the day. We're riding around Plaza 15 Martires. There. Some people sleep here actually. Around sa 15 Martires. Alright, people see, there's so many people coming over, even at this late hour. Just try to go around plaza. We can easily go around the plaza because there is actually a pathway around here. Okay, very suited for our mini mountain bike. Right, quite nice. We are now at the Plaza 15 Martires after our city ride, Naga City night ride. So today is tonight is December 29. Tomorrow will be Rizal Day. Well, soon there will be 15 Martires celebration next month, January. We are here with our mini mountain bike. Alright, I think this concludes our night cycling here at Naga City. We are now at Plaza 15 Martires. By the way, I'm Jason for the Hagbayon channel. Remember, the pen is mightier with the sword. Thanks for watching.